Welcome back to Glovksol, where we bring you the latest in home and lifestyle products. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic way to add some industrial chic to your home while staying organized. The Industrial Pipe Clothing Rack from Tedidua. This clothing rack isn't just about style, it's built to last. Made from high-quality iron pipes, its matte black finish effortlessly matches any room decor, from modern minimalist to cozy rustic. Worried about complicated setups? No need. The rack is incredibly easy to assemble, all parts are detachable, and it comes with all the hardware you need to securely mount it to concrete, tile, or any other wall surface. You'll have it up and ready in just a few minutes. With its space-saving design, this rack is perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even your laundry room. Hang your clothes without worrying about wrinkles, and use the top shelf for hats, scarves, or even some decorative plants. Don't let its sleek design fool you. This rack is strong. It can hold up to 132 pounds, making it perfect for heavy coats, bags, or multiple outfits. So go ahead, hang up your entire wardrobe. Whether you're going for a contemporary look or something more traditional, this versatile rack integrates seamlessly into any style. It's not just functional, it's a statement piece. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home with something stylish, functional, and easy to set up, the Tedidua Industrial Pipe Clothing Rack is a must-have. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing product reviews and home hacks from Glovksol. See you next time.